Yes, Priyanka, good afternoon. Yes, Abhishek, we are about to start. Good afternoon. Okay, so continuing with stack once again. So we'll see the three different varieties जिसमें question आ सकते हैं. But before with that, we are going to start with uh, about the scratch about the stack from the scratch. Stack. Okay, it's a way of structuring data. A way of structuring data or records. Okay. So in what way do you structure data or record? In such a way that whatever comes first is at the bottom of the stack and whatever comes last is at the top of stack. Okay. Insertion. Insertion is that means insertion or adding new item to the stack. Okay, is done is always done, or insertion is always done at the top of the stack. Removal is removal of an item is also always done from the top of the stack. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Hope he is going through the recordings. That's all right. Okay. In this idea of organizing data or records, idea or mechanism is or records follows FIFO approach. What is FIFO? First in, first, or no, not FIFO.
LIFO.
LIFO, good. LIFO approach. इसको बोलते हैं लास्ट इन, जो आखिरी में आया है, फर्स्ट आउट विल बी द फर्स्ट वन टू लीव. That means the entity is which is at the top of the stack or the pile will be the first one to leave. Okay. In real world, idea of stack is implemented by physical objects. Which are piled on the top of each other. Which are piled on the top of each other. Okay. Example, stack of plates. So it's a, when you implement the idea of stack using the plates, you will place the plates on the top of each other. The first place will be a plate that you place will be on the bottom. The next plate that comes will be on the top of that. इस तरह करके the last plate that you will put will be on the top. And if you start removing, the plate on the top will be removed first. ठीक है? तो उस आइडिया को हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. और द स्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ प्लेट्स, ठीक है, तो वही बोलते हैं जो स्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ प्लेट्स हैपेंस एज पर द आइडिया ऑफ स्टैक. ठीक है, स्टैक ऑफ प्लेट्स, स्टैक ऑफ कार्ड्स, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. In computers, especially in Python, the idea or mechanism is implemented using किस चीज से इंप्लीमेंट होता है? Lists. Good. Lists. But why do we need to implement stack in computers? ये लिस्ट को यूज करके क्या अचीव करेंगे? What is the purpose? क्वेश्चन एक लिख देता हूं. What is the purpose of Yeah, very good. Maintaining order, that means if I put it in a refined way, it's a mechanism of structuring data or records. That is why in order to structure data or record so that you can retrieve it later time, yeah, insert into it, and you are very clear about the mechanism of insertion, retrieval, fetching, searching, modification, तो वो उस क्लियर कट डिफाइंड हो जाता है ऑफ द वे ऑफ मेंटेनिंग डेटा. ठीक है. तो what is the purpose of implementing stack? In programming, answer is for convenience of structuring data, ताकि डेटा को और रिकॉर्ड्स को स्ट्रक्चर करके मेंटेन करने में इट इज कन्वीनियंट, फॉर कन्वीनियंस नॉट ऑफ in structuring or maintaining data or records. And that is the reason when you are learning about stack, queue, linked list, ये सब जाओगे, so that falls under separate category of, you can say, topic or separate category or a topic known as data structures. ठीक है. This in any programming language, this stack you will find it under the topic or heading of data structures. Why? It is an idea or the mechanism using which you conveniently structure or maintain data or records. ठीक है. For the purpose of easy retrieval, easy updation, easy addition, easy insertion, easy removal. ठीक है. इसीलिए this therefore बोल सकता हूं शॉर्ट में, the stack is read under the topic of, syllabus में भी देखोगे data structures के अंदर लिखा रहता है, read under the topic of data structures. It is one of the way of structuring data. Second is queue. We will see it briefly, though the chances of it coming in the exam is less. Okay, but another way of structuring is queue. Another way जो colleges में पढ़ोगे that will be tree. Another way will be graphs. ठीक है. Another way उसके बाद finally तुम्हारा होगा hash tables. Okay, and there that is the place where your data structuring का concept ends. ठीक है. तो structuring. So later on in colleges you will under data structure, that is topic को short में DS बोलते हैं. Under DS you will be studying stacks. This is one way of structuring data. Another convenient way of structuring data is queue. Another convenient way of structuring data is trees. Another convenient way of structuring data is graphs. And finally, hash tables. Okay. तो अगर जो लोग, the people who know all the ways of structuring data ना, they have very good command over you can say programming and writing efficient codes. तो इसीलिए in our syllabus most important is this. Okay, most important, we will also read this. Okay, just to be safe, though it should not come in the exam. Okay, ये clear है? बताओ. Though we have discussed it just before your exam, but why I am repeating is because I believe exam के पहले दिमाग में घुसता कम है. It's a universal problem. It's even with me. Okay. So in the colleges you will learn these things, but in a different language, of course, mostly in C. ठीक है. Okay. Priyanka, clear है? Okay, right. Now we are moving to the topic that is discussion on, or we can say detailed discussion on implementation of stacks in stacks using list. Okay. Before we go into the discussion, okay, अच्छा चलो उस पे देखते हैं. So here what will happen is here we will assume the list to grow, shrink, or get modified or be read as per the idea or mechanism or rules of stack. Okay, that means अगर तुम्हारा कोई लिस्ट है, एग्जाम्पल इनिशियली आई एम अज्यूमिंग द लिस्ट जो क्रिएट करोगे उसको अज्यूम लाइक अ vessel. So this is 0th index in the list. Okay, assume it upside down. Of course, in the programming there is nothing like upside down. Just for the sake of clarity, in your mind you can assume that I have created a list which is empty at this time. So it is just like this, an empty list. So nothing is there. Okay, so or you can say empty list. Okay, when you insert in the empty list, you insert item first, let's say number 10. Okay, so 10 will come here at index position 0. That will be the first value in the list. There is no index position in the beginning. Okay, then let's say empty list, this is known as S. Now in the list S, when you inserted 10, it became the first element of the list at the index position 0. So item to be inserted was 10. The moment you inserted 10, top element became 10. Top index is 0. Okay. Next say okay, another item that you want to insert next is 5. So 10 पहले से था. If you are using stack, so the next item that will come on the top of it. 5. 10 was at the first 0th index position. The next item that will come in the list at the last will be at the top. Okay, so that means at 1. Okay, this is S. Okay, and here we will write first index, that is 0, is bottom. ठीक है, bottom, and len of list is top. Okay, ये assume करके हम लोग चलेंगे. Okay, so now here top element is 10, top index is 2, or sorry 1, इस तरह करके. Next time if you want to remove, तो remove करोगे तो क्या होगा? Let's say one more item you insert, item is equals to 2. 2 will come on the top, उसके नीचे होगा 5, then you will have 10 in the list as 0 1, second पे आएगा top 2, तो whichever comes last becomes the top. ठीक है, तो इसी तरह top element is equals to 2, top index is equals to 2. Okay, and finally if you have to remove, which one will be removed? कौन सा रिमूव होगा पहले, 10 5 और 2? If you have to remove, which one will be removed first?
Sir, 2.
2. That is element 2 and at the index position 2. What will be the state after removal? Remove. तो 2 top चला जाएगा, top will become 5 or 10, so one index will decrease. Okay, and then top element is equals to 5, top index is equals to 10. So now you're understanding how this is what we can call stack of numbers. ठीक है, this is the first case. Second, you are inserting anything. Third, again you are inserting one element. Fourth, you are again inserting one element, and fifth, you are removing. ये बताओ, ये clear है कि how numbers are implemented in the list using stack? Sorry, how stack is implemented? How stack of numbers is implemented in a list? ये clear है तो we'll see in detail. ठीक है, मतलब क्या, जो भी एलिमेंट आएगा that will be added at the end of the list, that which is considered to be the top, and if anything is to be removed, that again will be removed from the end of the list, which is again considered to be the top. Okay, some other points to keep in mind when you are implementing. Removal, अच्छा, operations in a stack. Operations that come under the idea of a stack. Operations in a stack. क्या क्या चीज हो सकता है if you are implementing the concept of stack or the idea of stack in a list? What all things can be done? First is insertion of an item. Okay, this is known as push operation. Removal of an item from the stack, this is known as pop operation. Displaying fetching or accessing the top element of the stack. Top element or index position is known as peak operation. Okay, if somebody asks you, okay, whatever stack you have, which element is at the top or which index position is the top index position? So that means if you are trying to display fetch the number as per the request, you will say that I have just peeked into the stack. Okay, checking.
सर इंडेक्स की स्पेलिंग गलत है.
अच्छा इंडेक्स हो गया है. नहीं ये गलती मैं नहीं करता हूँ, बार बार बताया हूँ ना, तुम लोगों का कंसंट्रेशन चेक करता हूँ, देख रहे हो कि नहीं. ओके. If the stack is empty or not. This is also an important operation in the stack. ठीक है. ये जानने के बाद हमें एक चीज और ध्यान देना पड़ेगा in stack. If the stack is empty, pop operation अच्छा push will always happen from the top of the stack. Pop will always happen from the top of the stack. Okay. If the stack is empty, pop operation that is removal or deletion of item is not possible. This condition, this state or condition is known as क्या बोलते हैं? Known as underflow. Correct. ठीक है. अब ये जितना हमने whatever we have wrote, whatever we have written, whatever we wrote here, अब इसको बस प्रोग्राम में इंप्लीमेंट करना है. इसको वी हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट इन आवर पाइथन कोड एंड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अ स्टैक. नाउ हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, वो भी मैं एक लाइन लिख देता हूं. स्टैक यूजिंग लिस्ट कैन बी ऑफ 3 kinds. मतलब for our purpose, that means as per our syllabus. अब इसी 3 में से मैंने बोला है क्वेश्चन आएगा. What are those? ये 3 kinds क्या है? Okay. So देखो, stack of numbers, stack of strings, and stack of list. ठीक है. अब इसको we will see in details. ठीक है. Stacks. Okay. Okay. So first type will be stack of numbers. Then second type we'll see stack of list, sorry, strings, and third thing that we'll see will be stack of list. ओके इसका एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. Let's say I tell you to perform this sequence of operations on an empty stack. ठीक है, that means अब stack empty है तो that means empty list, इसको stack बोलेंगे हम लोग. Okay, let's say initially your stack is this. On this you have to perform push 2, push 3, push -7, pop pop में तो बताना नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि it automatically means from the top, whatever is at the top. Pop, push 10, pop. Okay, let us consider that these are operation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so as per this, next page में बना रहे हैं stack of numbers. इसके corresponding, how will the stack grow and yeah. ठीक है, let's suppose you have to do these things. So initially, let's say at the beginning, the first step, what will be the state of the stack? State 1 क्या होगा? Let's say the stack, that is the list, will be empty. Okay, initially उसको हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? State 0 लिख देते हैं. चलो, state 0 पे stack is, which is known as is empty. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 will represent the states. Yes, sir. State 1 पे what will be the state of the stack? How will it look? S will contain 2 at the index position 0. Okay. Top will be top index, मान लो लिखते हैं तो top index position is 0. Whenever I am writing top, I am meaning index position and not the element here in this case. Okay. After the second element, after the second operation is performed, how will the stack look? कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा. टू पहले था. You are again telling to push an item. Item कौन सा था इस केस में? Item was 2. Here, which is the item? 3. So when 3 is to be pushed in the stack, okay, that is the list which we are considering as a stack. It will come on the top of the 2. So it will come here 3. This will come at the index position 1. So top index will be 1. After the third operation, what will be the state of the stack? Item is again pushed -7. How will the stack grow? Last stack जो था state, on the top of that, because insertion means something has to be added on the top. That is pushing means adding on the top of whatever was already there. ठीक है, top means last position of the last index position. So it will change like this. 2, 3, -7. 0, 1 and 2. And then top will be 2. ठीक है, तो हमारा 3 हो गया. After fourth, what will be the state? You are telling pop. Okay, pop means whatever was the last state of the stack, उसमें से you have to pop means deletion or removal from the top. So the top element has to go and index position has to get deleted. So now the stack will, after this, the stack will be reduced to, or it will shrink and give you this state, or it will appear like this: 2 and 3, 0 and 1. Okay, here we will say that top is first index position and item removed, ठीक है, IR जिसको बोलते हैं, item removed is which one? -7. Fifth, ठीक है, fifth pop again. So whatever is the last state of the stack, उस पे से top will go. So it will happen, and this this will be like this: 0, because the top will go, top element will go, top index position will be deleted, and top index or top will remain like, top index will be 0. Item removed as a part of or during popping operation was 3. Okay, sixth में push 10, whatever is the last state of the stack उस पे 10 push करना. 2, 10, 0 लास्ट इंडेक्स था, टॉप पे एक और एलिमेंट आ गया, पुश हो गया, दैट इज 10, एंड द करंट टॉप इज इंडेक्स पोजीशन 1. आइटम रिमूव कुछ नहीं हुआ है तो नहीं लिखेंगे. 7th यू आर टेलिंग पॉप, तो पॉप में क्या होगा? अगेन वट एवर इज द लास्ट स्टेट, उसमें से टॉप एलिमेंट विल गो, टॉप इंडेक्स पोजीशन विल बी डिलीटेड, एंड द रिमेनिंग स्टैक विल लुक लाइक this. Top will again become 0. Item removed was 10. अच्छा मान लो I do this, तो क्या होगा? How will stack change? In 8 you are popping again, that means stack becomes empty, जो कि starting में था. Okay, let's say this is stack S. Stack S becomes empty again. Top is nothing, so we will assign it as none. Item removed is what? 2. When you are doing 9th operation, what will happen? Will the stack change? No. जब कुछ है ही नहीं तो रिमूव क्या करोगे? Stack will remain as it is, and we will say underflow. ये देखो और बताओ ये समझ में आया कि नहीं? ओके, पूरा आ गया, गुड. ठीक है, मान लो अब बोलोगे पीक कहां करेंगे? पीक कहीं भी कर सकते हो. लेट्स से somebody comes and after this third step, मान लो कि 3.5 लिख देता हूं मैं, क्योंकि अब नंबर तो पूरा चेंज नहीं करूंगा. लेट्स से at step 3.5 somebody says peak. So 3.5 नहीं, so I'll do 4.5. मान लो somebody here writes, because I didn't want to change the numbering, so I have taken this 4.5. नहीं तो वो integer ही हो सकता था. I'll write peak. फिर क्या होता? We could have written, as a result of peak, stack will remain unchanged, because peak simply means कि whatever is there on the top of the stack, please access that element and tell me. तो स्टैक नाइदर उसमें से इंसर्शन हो रहा है, नाइदर डिलीशन हो रहा है, so neither pop nor push will happen. So as a result of peak, you will say something like display top, which will be nothing but top element is 3 and index is 1. Something like this you can say. So peak means, generally peak means whatever element is at the top of the stack display. So you will say that at the top of the stack at index position 1 the element is 3. ठीक है? तो peak मतलब यही होता है, just telling कि whatever is there at the top of the stack and at what index position it is. ठीक है? ये क्लियर है? ओके. स्टैक ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स क्या होता है? स्टैक ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, सेम है. You will consider a list which is to be treated as stack. Initially empty होगा, उसमें कुछ steps होंगे, 1 2 3, ज्यादा नहीं लिखूंगा इसमें, 4 5. Let's say first में बोलोगे push high. Instead of numbers, you will be popping only strings. So if you are popping only strings in the list using the concept of stack, you will say that will be stack of strings. Push by peak pop push, or something like you can do pop and 6th pop. Stack of strings. Okay. So as per this, what you will do is, initially, let's say state 0 पे your stack S is empty. Okay. Top is nothing. That means stack empty. State 1 में, as per this operation 1, it will correspond to state 1. When you push high, it will become something like this, high. So in stack, and the moment in empty stack you are adding, it will come to the index position 0. Top will become, sorry, 0. Top index position will become 0. Second, after second, when you are pushing by again, so it will become something like this. Okay. That will come on top of this, that is at the last position, index position, that is 0. New index position will be created there. Buy will be put. Top will become 1. As per third is for peak. So stack will not change because peak doesn't mean adding or removing. It simply means accessing the top element. So top will remain as it is. But peak will give you display top element, और यहाँ पे top element क्या है? Buy. So buy at index position 1. ठीक है? As per fourth, you will do pop. The top will go, top index position will go. The remaining stat or the stack that will be visible will be like this. So this will be the state of the stack. I at 0, S. Top is 0. Okay. Fifth में again item removed was buy. Now here in fifth, again you have removed. So stack will become empty. Top will change to none. Okay. Item removed is because of this fifth pop operation at fifth operation number. So item removed is high. Okay. Sixth time when you will be doing pop, क्या होगा? There is nothing to remove, so stack will remain empty as it is. Top will not change, top will be none. But क्या होगा? This will give you underflow. Why? Nothing is there, you're trying to remove, so cannot be removed. That state is known as underflow. So just like numbers, stack of when you are told to implement a stack of strings using list, simply remember pushing and popping will be of strings only. When stack of numbers, pushing and popping will be of always of numbers. Pushing, popping and peeping, peaking. ठीक है? Okay. अब ये बताओ स्टैक ऑफ लिस्ट में ये समझ में आया कि नहीं? 5 minutes more I'll take. Theory we will complete, programming we'll see tomorrow. So this is nothing different. Okay. Now let us see the third example. And this is the one that I am telling will come in the exam, 95%. Let's say stack is empty. And here, whenever you will be doing something, चलो एक और ऑपरेशन इसमें ऐड कर देते हैं. Okay. Push here will not push a number or an integer. Rather, pushing and popping, that means adding and removing of list will be done. Say, मान लो list is list of, adding list ब्रैकेट में लिख देते हैं of book ID, book name and author. Okay, so उस चीज को हम लोग पुश पॉप करेंगे. लेट्स से बुक आईडी इज 100, book name is XYZ and author's name is ABC. मैं रैंडम ले रहा हूं. पुश 101, कुछ भी ले लेते हैं 50. बुक नेम इज, अब ये बुक कुछ भी हो सकता है, एलिस इन वंडरलैंड कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. Author can be anything, Ruskin Bond, just giving an example. तो I cannot think that many names of books and author, तो इसलिए मैं randomly ABC XYZ ले रहा हूँ. Okay, let's say this is PQR, author is LMN. ये सब नेम होगा एक्चुअल में. For the sake of example I am writing. Now एक और ऑपरेशन देख लेते हैं. This operation you can add here also and here also. Is empty. Then you can write pop यहाँ लिख दिए पीक, पॉप ऑपरेशन, पॉप ऑपरेशन, पॉप ऑपरेशन एंड पॉप ऑपरेशन. ठीक है. नहीं, is empty, or let's say push. WXY, book ID is 123, WXY is the name of the book and author is, let's say, A729. कुछ random दे रहा हूं मैं. Okay, now in this how stack will be implemented. Idea लग गया होगा तुम लोगों को. That is simple. Stack of lists. ठीक है. अब initially let's assume this stack is empty and that this stack is known as S and the top is what? None. कुछ नहीं है top. There is no top. Then you push And now what we are pushing is, we are pushing as item what, this is neither a number nor a string, but a list itself. Okay, so once you push that, it will change to something like this: 100, XYZ, ABC. Okay, this will be the 0th element. That means list में जो element add होगा, that will be another list having 3 elements. Okay, every time whenever push is performed, that list, in that list you will add another list having 3 elements. So this will be list of lists की तरह ये grow करेगा, और list of list की तरह this will shrink. Okay, that is the only thing. Earlier you were adding numbers or strings, here you will add only lists having 3 elements and in this form. ठीक है, so that way it will grow or that way it will shrink. बस ये चीज ध्यान रखना है, rest is exactly the same. So element will become S, top element is 0, top index position is 0. After second, again, whatever is the last state of the stack, on that you have to add another record. Another record is what? That record or the item is itself a list. So it will become something like this. Okay, so that is same 100, XYZ, and ABC. Here it will become 50, PQR, and LMN. Okay, this is 0th, the new element, that is this record, which is nothing but list itself, will be added at 1 index position. So now top index is 1. As a part of the operation third, stack will remain as it is. ठीक है, तो ये stack ऐसा ही रहेगा. Okay. Stack will remain as it is, but the operation says is empty. क्या आएगा answer? Is this stack currently what you are seeing is empty? Stack will not change, so stack state of the stack will be this, but is empty will give you what? False. It is not empty. Okay. Fourth. Now saying peak. Peak means just looking at the top of the stack, what is at the top of the stack. So stack won't change, stack will remain like this. Top will be 1 and peak will result in display element at top, display element at top. Just a minute, I'm coming. Somebody is at the door. Just 2-3 minutes more, we'll wrap up. Okay, so top, तो ये क्या होगा? Element at top is this thing. Element at top is the list itself. At which position? At index position 1. Okay. So earlier element at top used to be in the stack of strings, it used to be string, or in the stack of numbers it used to be a number, which may be an integer or a float. But here what we are seeing that the top is, because it is stack of lists, or on the top of each other you are placing lists only. So element at the top is list itself, okay, which is in the form of author name, sorry, book ID, book name, and author name. Okay. Now as a part of fifth में क्या होगा? You are telling pop, so it will reduce to जो लास्ट स्टेट है उससे टॉप वाला रिमूव हो जाएगा, सो इट विल अगेन चेंज टू दिस स्टेट. ओके, it will change to this state. That means top, the list which was at index position 1, or the item which was in index position 1, which was itself a record or a list containing a list of having 3 elements, that is author, book ID, author name, book name, and author name, that will be gone. Index position will be deleted, and only one such record, only one record will be existing. Okay, and only one record will be existing, that is one list containing book, the first one that you inserted, that is list containing first book ID, book name, and author name. Okay, right. Now when, and yes, item removed is what? Item removed is this only. Okay, now as a part of sixth, step 6. Okay, step 6 में क्या होगा? You are again removing, तो फिर list will become what? Empty. S will become empty. Okay, top will become none. Item removed is what? The only element that was, only element that is only list, the first record that you inserted. Okay, so it will be this. Item removed will be this. Okay, as a part of 7th, implementation of 7th, step, what will happen? You are telling pop again, S, top is none, and this will be underflow. Underflow. 8th में क्या होगा? Is empty. This is your list, not containing anything. Top is none. Is this list empty as of now? ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? Answer will be true. Yes, the list is empty. That means, is the stack empty? Yes, the stack is empty. And 9th will be one last push operation. Stack is empty. तो sorry, stack was empty. Previous state में push करोगे ये, तो what it will, how it will change? This will change to 123 WXY. This is the new record that you're adding on the empty stack. Index position will become 0 and book is A729. Okay, and top will now change to 0 because first element has been inserted, which is a new record. That is a list containing 3 elements in whatever form we discussed. That is book ID, book name and book author. Okay. ये बताओ ये तीनों कंसेप्ट समझ में आया कि नहीं, कि in what possible ways stack can be implemented using list. That means either one list you can add, one string you can add, one that means number you can add. There is no restriction. Tuple भी add कर सकते हो. It can be tuple also. It can be dictionary का भी stack हो सकता है. ठीक है. तो but as per our course we'll study only these 3 variants. So ये बताओ ये clear है कि नहीं clear है. और अगर फोर्थ वेरिएंट लेट्स से कि वर्स्ट केस में आता भी है, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर द आइटम दैट यू विल बी एडिंग, अगर डिक्शनरी बोल रहा है तो वो डिक्शनरी बना के ऐड करते जाना. ओके, अगर टपल बोल रहा है तो इंस्टेड ऑफ लिस्ट यू विल बी एडिंग टपल्स वन अगेन एंड द रूल विल बी सेम. ठीक है, तो ये सारा ऑपरेशंस इन द केस ऑफ 3 ways ऑफ इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ स्टैक. इफ इट इज क्लियर लेट मी नो, विल सी द प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट टुमारो. लेकिन उससे पहले अभी बता दीजिए मुझे. ओके, अखिला, पलक, प्रियंका एंड अदर्स बताइए. अनंत, अभिषेक, तुम लोग ही बोलो. सौरभ नहीं है आज. ओके, ठीक है. ओके, ठीक, गुड. सो नाउ what we are going to what you are going to do tomorrow is कि let's say तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन पेपर कहाँ गया, क्लास 12 pre-board 1. you will not solve anything, है ना, पर क्वेश्चन पर क्या आओगे. लास्ट ईयर, दिस ईयर, उससे पहले वाले ईयर, जहां भी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में पुश पॉप का दिया हुआ है, दैट इज वेयर एवर द स्टैक इज इंप्लीमेंटेड यूजिंग लिस्ट, इवन इफ इट इज इन C++ या पाइथन, उसमें क्वेश्चन सेम रहेगा. तुम लास्ट 2, 3, 4 ईयर्स का सैंपल पेपर्स का cbseacademic.nic.in से यू गो, सिंपली रीड द क्वेश्चन पेपर, डोंट सॉल्व इट, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अब तुम्हें मतलब समझ में आ जाएगा ये क्या बोल रहा है. ठीक है, देन यू विल easily understand कि what happens and what they are saying, what the question means, वो सब कुछ फिर आसानी से समझ जाओगे. So and then you won't make mistake. ये 3 marks तुम्हारा for sure रहेगा. Nobody will be able to tell you. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो list of numbers बोला हुआ है. Okay, if you see last year क्या हो गया, just a minute, ओपन ही है मेरा. आई थिंक वो गलती से मैंने ये ऑफ कर दिया स्क्रीन शेयर. ओके, लेट्स से कि CBSE एकेडमिक पे मैं गया सैंपल पेपर में I'll see 2019 का. तुम्हें बस क्वेश्चन पर क्या आना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चंस. चाहो तो आंसर देख लेना, सॉल्यूशन, बट नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. विल डिस्कस इट टुमारो, बट सी यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. जैसे न्यू है. ओके, नाउ विल सी कि कुछ उस तरह के क्वेश्चंस इसमें है कि नहीं. स्टूडेंट, ये तो वही तरह के, ये क्वेश्चंस तो गलत मत करना, लेआउट वाला. ये क्यों दे दिया. हाँ देखो, पर ये स्टैक ये है. विल क्यू वी विल सी, पर ये क्वेश्चन पर राइट अ फंक्शन इन पाइथन मेक पुश. दैट मीन्स ये पुश का फंक्शन है, विच विल टेक something which will be stored in this variable known as package. That means it will accept one. ये वो सब हम लोग देखेंगे how we will do. And make pop. So that means push and pop तुम्हें perform करना है to add new package and delete a package. But what is a package? They are defining further. Delete a package from a list of package description containing considering them to act as push and pop operations in stack data structure. This package can be anything. यहाँ पे तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बोला है कि whether it will be a list, whether it will be a dictionary, whether it will be a string, whether it will be numbers. So you have to just write a simple generic program. तुम उस तीनों में से कुछ भी तरह का बना दोगे, your answer will come as it is. ठीक है? तो इसमें कुछ बोला ही नहीं है. You can create of any type. Okay? तो ये लास्ट ईयर का है. उससे पहले का भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. देखते हैं कुछ है कि नहीं. I'll take 2 more minutes. Computer science. नहीं. Let me see. I'll turn off the recording 1 minute. Unnecessarily